Hi guys, welcome to the second of our Google Earth tutorials. This one's going to teach you how to make a line. You need to make lines on your map for things like transport routes, bike paths, the boundary of the suburb and things like that. Okay, to make a line you just need to be in your main Google Earth view, and you are going to have your two toolbars shown because you want to use this icon here, which if you hover over it, it will say add path. Okay, so just click that and you get a little dialog box that pops up here. Whenever you add something to your map, you should name it so you know what it is. So I'm just going to use West End as an example suburb, so I'm just going to title this line boundary of West End, and I'll just copy that and stick it down here in the description as well. If you click the style color tab, you can change the color of the line that you're going to draw. It defaults to white and I want this to be red, so I'll just click on that, red. Okay, and once you've got that all set, you don't click OK, you just push that out the way a little bit so you can actually see your map, and then you actually are going to just click using that crosshair there to add a line. So wherever you click, it adds a little point, and then a line will be drawn between that point and the next point where you click, which will be just here. So you just kind of have to have a little bit of a sense about where you're going. I know that West End, the boundary of West End, because I looked it up, goes down the street here which is called Hocking Street, then down Mollison Street, then down this street here called Browning Street, then back along here along Vulture Street, pretty much down here to the end of Boundary Street, and then along the edge of the river past the Boys Grammar Boat Shed, and then sort of up here. And when we zoom in, we can kind of see the little points. If you get them that they're not exactly right in the spot where you want them to be, you can just click on them and move them around. Just move that one back up. Whoops, really want to move that one. There it is there, that one, and I'll move that one up there as well. Okay, so you can move those around by just hovering over them. So when you've got the lines where you want them to be, you just click OK and it adds a line to your map. Now the thing about it, when you added the line, it should be added over here into temporary places. So before you add anything, you just have to make sure you've got temporary places clicked. Okay, and it adds the boundary of West End, because that was the name of that we gave that line. Okay, so that's how you add a line.